Hey, what's up you guys? I have a feeling I already made an intro towards the end, so I'm gonna just jump in and get started because I'm kind of running a little bit late. So today I have my Monday meeting for my sorority, and it starts at 7 and it's like 6:05 probably by now. So yeah, I'm going in with the Fit Me in the shade 118. Oh my god, it does not look like it's my shade because I'm so red, but I swear it matches me. Like, it's not too dark, I don't think. I feel like you guys are gonna see this way later. Like, as of today, it's September 23rd. I just uploaded my tailgate video this morning. I scheduled it, obvi, because I'm not gonna be up in the morning on a Monday. Hell no, I'm gonna be sleeping in because I have no school and I have no work. So I uploaded it and I had so much fun at this past tailgate. It was so fun, and I spent it with my friend Vivian and one of the new sorority sisters, Steffi. She's so sweet, love her. But yeah, we had a lot of fun. I think I'm gonna go in with my concealer just in a couple of spots. I'm breaking out a little bit, like the teensiest bit, so I have to like figure out why. Anywho, what's new in your guys' lives? I am currently trying to find a job, and right now, like I said, it's September 23rd. So I haven't found anything. Who knows if by the time I upload it, I found anything. I'm gonna insert a clip of when I'm editing this. Did I find anything? Okay, so maybe I did, maybe I didn't. So it's September 23rd and Brittany's actual birthday is tomorrow. She's turning 21. She's turning 21. And honestly, the thought of that like sends me in for a whirlwind because I'm like, I've literally known this girl since I was like 11. Oh my god, I remember our poor history teacher. We asked her like, Miss Bengochea, do you ship anyone? And then she was like, what does that mean? Like, because you know what, like shipping means like cargo ships. So like when they didn't, like, she gave us a whole history lesson, like, of course, because here we are being like a couple of like, I don't even think we were being smartasses. I don't know, like I feel like we just thought everybody knew what shipping means, and for some reason our like 30-year-old history teacher like would know what shipping meant. And so she actually gave us a history lesson on like shipping. It's funny, those are good times. Genuinely, if it wasn't for One Direction, I honestly don't think, well, I'm like, would I have befriended Britney? I was already Britney's friend, but like One Direction really made it like solidify, because that's all we would talk about. Oh my goodness. And it was like right in their prime, and so when they would release like music videos, we would be in class and we'd be like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And she was a Zayn girl and I was a Niall girl. Oh, I'm still a Niall girl to this day. I'm still a Niall girl. So we were like fangirling, and it was just like, oh my god, those were like good times. Like One Direction dropped a video in class, like everything stopped for us. And they would always manage to drop it like when we would be in class together, or like when we would be like walking out of class. So like perfect timing for us. So now I'm like patting in my baking powder. Now I'm gonna go in with my contour. So now I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow pencil in the shade Hazel, and I'm gonna comb it first with the little comb that it comes with. Okay, I still have baking powder on my face and nobody told me, and I didn't notice. What the hell? So yeah, this is what my eyebrow is gonna look like. It looks disgusting. Then I'm gonna go in, I stole this right now, by the way, from my aunt, not from the store, but this is the color Full Brown Fawn, and this is such a pretty color. I literally love it so much. Oh, and I love the casing. Like, I love everything about this lipstick. Hopefully it matches. I need highlighter. Oh my god, I almost forgot the most important part. Highlighter. Okay, if you know me, then you know my favorite highlighter is Venus, the first palette, and it is Aura. Oh my god, I'm really specific with my nose highlight. I only like it like that, like a little ball. So yeah, she looked good and then she ruined it with her hair, but whatever. If you guys enjoyed it enough, give it a like, and I'll see you guys next time.